Good morning, children. In previous classes, we are discussing about excretory system. Excretory system where excrete our wastage from our body. Okay. So from that, they are given here one activity related to excretion. So you have to complete the 6.9 today. Once see open studio page number 96, children. Here see, observe and make a note of how many times you excrete in a day. Also fill in the table with 3 different types of waste produced by your body. Okay, మీరు డైలీ ఎన్నిసార్లు ఎక్స్క్రియేట్ చేస్తారు? ఎక్స్క్రియేట్ మీన్స్ నాట్ ఓన్లీ ఇట్ ఈస్ వేస్టేజ్, ఇట్ ఈస్ వెట్ ఆర్ ఇట్ ఈస్ you are releasing carbon dioxide from your nose, that is also excretion. Okay, so types of waste produced by your body. Okay, which type of waste you are produced by your body? Here you have to write 3, and number of times you excrete in a day you have to write here number. Okay, for example, here your skin excrete sweat. So number of times you excrete in a day, maybe 4 or 5 times. Like you have to write 5. Like that you have to complete here 6.9 activity. And next on page number 97. Did everyone in your class excrete the same number of times or why? మీ క్లాస్లో ఉన్న వాళ్ళందరూ సేమ్ నెంబర్ ఎక్స్క్రియేట్ చేస్తారా? No. Because it's depend upon our body condition. Different people, they are having excrete different types. Okay, so the number of times it will be changed. You have to write the reason here. And next 6.110, see page number 97, 6.110. Observe the given poster with important rules to follow while using the toilet. Use the images as clues and complete the poster. Here they are given toilet rules. So if you are following or not, you have to see here. So this is the ensure cleanliness. Okay, this is the correct. And next, do not urinate outside the urinal. Okay, here if you are looking this picture, you will know. So don't urinate outside. Next, always flush after you use the toilet. Okay, after using toilet you have to flush the water. Next, do not make people wait for too long to use the toilet. Okay, so some people they are hurry, I'm busy and people please hurry. So don't make people wait for too long to use the toilet. And next, always wash your hands after you use the toilet. Okay, so if you are touching anything, if you are using toilets, always wash your hands regularly. Okay, children. Next, open page number 98. Here see, we have already learned that kidneys are the main organs of the excretion in the urinary system. So in our urinary system, the kidneys is the main important role because it can excrete the wastage to remaining parts. Okay, the urinary system helps to get rid of liquid waste from our body in the form of urine. Okay, kidneys అనేవి మన బాడీలో ఉన్న వేస్టేజ్ని యూరిన్ రూపంలో బయటకు పంపించేస్తూ ఉంటాయి. ఓకే, the urinary system consists of a pair of kidneys. See children, this is the urinary system. It has pair means 2, pair of kidneys and a pair of ureters. Okay, these are the ureters. A pair of ureters, a urinary bladder and a urethra. Okay, this is the urinary bladder and this is the urethra. Okay children, so this is the urinary system. Urinary system have kidneys and ureters, urinary bladder and urethra. Okay children, here kidneys are reddish brown bean shaped organs that filter waste water from the blood in the form of urine. మన బ్లడ్లో ఏదైతే వేస్టేజ్ కింద ఉంటుందో దాన్ని వాటర్ రూపంలో పంపించేస్తుంది బయటికి కిడ్నీస్. ఓకే, దీస్ ఆర్ లుక్స్ లైక్ రెడ్డిష్ బ్రౌన్ లైక్ బీన్స్ ఎలా ఉంటాయి షేప్ అలా ఉంటాయి మన కిడ్నీస్ కూడా. ఓకే, and ureters are the thin tubes that carry the urine from the kidney to the urinary bladder. కిడ్నీస్లో ఉన్న వేస్టేజ్ని యూరేటర్స్ ద్వారా యూరినరీ బ్లాడర్కి పంపించేస్తాయి. నెక్స్ట్, ద యూరినరీ బ్లాడర్ ఈజ్ ఎ బ్యాగ్ దట్ హోల్డ్స్ ద యూరిన్ until it is almost full, causing an urge to urinate. Okay, so here it is looking like a bag. So it can holds the urine until it is almost full. Okay, so if you are causing then an urge to urinate, it will be released. And the urethra is a tube that carries urine from the urinary bladder out of the body. Okay, so what is the wastage in our body? It will be excreted from the urethra. Okay children, so this is the urinary system. In this urinary system you excrete some wastage in your body. Okay children, up to now you have to read once again textbook, then you will understand properly, and you have to complete 6.9 and 6.10 activities children. Okay children, and remaining we will discuss in next class. Bye children.